Ityuktva. After saying this, Kakaha Kakshabhyantarat Tisraha Manjushaha Nissarya Tam Pratyavadat. After saying this, what Ityuktva means? Iti Uktva. What crow told? Crow told that it loved to keep the girl there only, but her mother will be lonely in the house, alone in the house. So a crow don't want that the mother will become alone. So it told the girl that you go to your house quickly. After saying this, Ityuktva, after saying this, Kakaha Kakshabhyantarat, Kaksha room. So Kakshabhyantarat, from one room, she bought 3 boxes. Manjusha means box. Tisraha is 3. Tisraha 3. So 3 boxes. Nissarya, after taking out. Nissarya, after taking out. Tam pratyavadat. So the crow is talking to girl. Balike yatecham grahana manjusham ekam. Hey girl, take 1 box, whichever you wish. Yatecham, which you want. Which you want, you take 1 box. You take 1 box. Laghutamam manjusham pragrahya. Girl takes the smallest box. Smallest box. Thinking that a small, no. How much rice crow ate? Little bit. So this is enough for me. This is enough, she told. So Laghutamam manjusham pragrahya, after taking the smallest box, Balikaya kathitam, girl told that Yat eva madiya tandulanam mulyam. This is only my value of rice. Value of my rice. What you ate now, this small box is enough. This is the price for that. I will not take the big. So, mulyam. Grahamagatya taya manjusha samudghatita. After coming back to house, she opened the box. She opened the box. Tasyam maharhani, precious. Tasyam, in that. Maharhani. Hirakani, precious. Diamonds. Hirakani means diamonds. Vilokya. After seeing the box is full of precious diamonds, sa praharshita. She became very much happy. Very much happy. Tad dinat dhanika sandat. From that day onwards, she became rich. She became rich. Tasminneva grame, in that village only, one more old woman used to live, but she is greedy. Tasminneva grame eka apara lubdha vruddha nivasat. In that village only, there used to live one more greedy old woman. Tasya api eka putri asit. She also had 1 daughter. She also had 1 daughter. Irshaya. Irsha means jealousy. By the jealous of what? Of seeing that poor vruddha woman and the girl became rich. So she got jealous. So Irshaya, by the jealousy, sa tasya swarnakakasya rahasyam jnatavati. She came to know the secret of Swarnakaka, how they become rich. She came to know. Surya tape tandulan nikshipya tasyapi tayapi swasuta rakshartham niyukta. Same, she also kept the rice in the sunshine and instructed the daughter to take care and protect from the birds. So nikshipya tayapi, by her only, her also, tayapi, by her also. Swasutta rakshartham niyukta, to protect, she instructed the Swasuta daughter. Tathaiva Swarnapakshaha Kakaha Tandulan Bhakshayan Tamapi Tatraiva Akarayat. So the golden crow came, it started eating the rice, and the same way she also told that don't eat. So the crow again told this girl also to come there outside of the village, nearby a tamarind tree. So this crow again called this girl also. Tandulan bhakshayan, while eating the rice, bhakshayan, tam balikam api tatraiva akarayat. She called, the golden crow called this girl also. This girl also. Prataha tatra gatva. Yes, the girl went there in the morning. Sa kakam nirbhatsayanti provacha. But this girl is scolding the crow. This girl is scolding the crow and calling the crow out. Calling the crow out. Swarna calling the crow out. What she is calling? Bho nicha kaka. Hey bad crow, ahamagata, I came. Mahyam tandula mulyam prayacha. Give me my value of rice. Give my money for the rice which you ate. Kako abravit. Crow told. Aham tvatkrite sopanam avatarami. I will give you a staircase to climb up. Tat kathaya. Tell me. Swarnamayam, Ritamayam, Tamramayam. What? Tell me which you want. Golden, silver, copper. Garvitaya balikaya, by the arrogant girl. Proktam, she told. Swarnamayena sopanena aham agachami. I will come up with a golden staircase only, she told. Param Swarna Kakaha Tatkrute Tamramayam Sopanameva Prayachat. But the golden crow gave a copper staircase to climb. Swarna Kakaha Tam Bhojanamapi Tamra Bhajane Eva Akarayat. So she gave, the golden crow gave breakfast also in the copper plate only. Copper plate only. Pratinivritti Kale. While going back to her house, Pratinivritti Kale, Swarnakakena kakshabhyantarat tisraha manjushaha tatpuraha samukshiptaha. Same as a golden crow did to a first polite girl, the same things golden crow is doing to second girl, but she is greedy and arrogant. So while going back, Pratinivritti Kale, Swarnakakena kakshabhyantarat tisraha manjushaha tatpuraha samukshiptaha. Swarnakakena, by the golden crow, kakshabhyantarat, from the room, it bought 3 boxes. It bought 3 boxes again, and it kept in front of girl. Lobha vishta sa bruhattamam Manjusham Grahitavati. But this girl is very much greedy, Lobhavishta. She took the biggest box. Brihattamam Manjusha. Brihattamam, biggest box she took. Grihitavati. Grihamagatya sa tarshita. Grihamagatya, after coming back to house, sa tarshita. She is very much surprised. She's tarshita, she's surprised. Why? Yavat manjusham udghatayati. Tarshita means greedy. Trisha, hunger. So, it's greedy, tarshita. Yavat manjusham samudghatayati. When she opened the box, tavat tasyam bhishanaha krishna sarpaha vilokitaha. In that box, there was a big, fearsome snake, black cobra. So Krishna Sarpaha, black snake, was there inside. Lubdhaya balikaya lobhasya phalam praptam. The greedy girl got what she deserved. Lobhasya, the fruit of greed, is always not good. So, Lubdhaya balikaya lobhasya phalam praptam. She got the fruit of greed. Phalam praptam. Tadanantaram sa lobham paryatyajat. After that, she left greediness. So, this is a story of golden crow, which tells that if you are polite, if you demand how much you worked, how much you did the work, that much only you demand. If you demand more, if you don't do the works that much, you will not get the correct value for your work, and you will not get anything also. So be sincere in your efforts and demand how much work you did. Don't be greedy. Greediness never pay off. We will lose only. We will lose many things by the greed. We will earn many things by being polite. And always be polite. And one more thing we must understand. We should never think that we are above everyone. So, this chapter tells that being polite and being straightforward and demanding the things which you worked, that much only if you demand, how much effort you put, you will be getting more than that. But if you demand more, if you work less, then you will not get anything. So, this concludes the story, children. This chapter, second chapter, Swarna Kakaha. Dhanyavad.